In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use ffmpeg to significantly shrink the size of a video that you want to upload. This is specifically to help with videos that are output from editors such as Openshot. I like Openshot as an editor, but it does produce very large sizes, and I use ffmpeg to shrink them. Near the bottom of the screen, you'll see the formula that's embedded in my do ffmpeg shrink bat file. That's BAT, short for batch. That's a DOS program file that will run by double clicking it. Inside you'll see that it's got a bunch of letters arranged appropriately. You can just treat those as magic, with the exception of two things. The input file needs to be called input.mp4. That's just a procedure I use to make it easier so I don't have to keep going into DOS and retyping all of this. And I use output as the final program. So I'll show you one way that I do that. I'm going to click on this file to rename it. I press Control-C to make a copy, then I rename it as input. Then I run this little batch file. You can see it pops up a DOS window or command window and shows you the progress. Hopefully this will not be too long. There, we're done. I press a key and there's the output file. And before I forget to do it, I'm going to paste with Control-V the file name. And now it is shrunk and I have the old version of the file, input mp4. You see that was 96 megabytes and this reduced version is 16 megabytes. So that's a pretty significant savings. And since I don't need the old one, I will delete it. And that's how to use ffmpeg to shrink a file. I will post in the description that formula I was using. If you have questions, you can Google or ask in the comments. Good luck.